Wanakkam namaste assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be unboxing one of the best gaming keyboard and mouse under 2000 rupees. This is REDGEAR A15 guys, RGB gaming mouse, and this one is Blaze MT01S gaming keyboard. Alright, so let's start with our mouse first, but before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright, so let's get started with the mouse first. I've got braided cable guys, with some extra buttons at the side, honeycomb design, RG REDGEAR branding logo, and scroll button up and down. Okay, look at the design guys, the design looks so good. Okay, now it's turn for keyboard. Let's open this as well. And let's remove this packing. There you go. This is full aluminium body guys. This also has braided cable guys, as you can see. Like this, you can notice guys the beauty of this gaming keyboard and mouse. Let me hook up everything to my laptop and let's see how this both looks. Okay, let me take you there in a few seconds. There you go guys, I got this mouse pad. This is how it looks, and it has 7 color guys, this keyboard, and this is full RGB, as you can see. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy this video. I'll see you guys soon. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. You all know that's the secret to long life.